Long and Will's Homestead. Just a bit of daily routine. Take you out on what we do on a daily in the afternoon. Fill up the generator. Give you on the chores what we're going to be doing today. And while that's filling up, I'll get the jump start because my battery's gone in it. Get the jump start pack on. You know, funds a bit tight at the moment, so I've got to use the jump start pack until we can get some more money up to get a battery. Sometimes it plays up, so I get the trusty screwdriver, it's on the jump pack. Now it's going to play up. Now we'll go feed the goats after the generator. We'll put it somewhere so you can see without the thing falling over. There you go. You can see them, you can hear them. So yeah, that's the goats. All getting fed, all having a feed.